Welcome back to Learn How to Speak, Read and Write Malay. In part 2, the 5 vowels were discussed which represents the sound A, E, I, O and U. In this part, we are going to explore the sounds of the consonants from B to Z. The interesting part about consonants in Bahasa Malaysia is that all of them represents only one sound. This makes your learning easier. Trust me. Let's recap the vowels before we begin. A represents the sound A, I for E, O for O, U for U, and the last one E for or E for A. Good. Now let's start exploring. Starting with the consonant B. B gives the sound as in the word because or believe. Examples of usage in Bahasa Malaysia are bagus means good, biji means seed. C brings the sound ch as in choose, cheese, chip, child, chef. Usage in Bahasa Malaysia includes cari means find, chili means chili. D is pronounced as D as in deep, dolphin, dust. Examples of usage in Bahasa Malaysia: desa means rural, dadu for dice. The consonant F pronounced as F as in Finland, fantasy, feel, fun. Usage in Bahasa Malaysia includes faham means understand, fasih means fluent. Take note that G only represents one sound, which is G as in the words go, get, game, grind. Usage in Bahasa Malaysia such as guru means teacher, gaji means salary. H pronounced as H, like in words honey, humble. Usage examples in Bahasa Malaysia are hebat means great, hidung, sniff. J pronounced as J as in the words Japan, join, jam. In Bahasa Malaysia, jika means if, juta means million. K has a K sound as in the words kite, kind. In Bahasa Malaysia, K forms words like camp, which is camp. Quiz means quiz. L as it is, as in the words such as light, let, loose. In Bahasa Malaysia, you find words like lari, run, lupa, forget. The alphabet M has in mama. You find words in Bahasa Malaysia such as mata means eyes, music means music. N has an N sound such as in the words nothing, never, knows. Words in Bahasa Malaysia includes nasi means rice, nota means note. Good. Take note that this part is to emphasize on the sounds of consonants rather than constructing words. Relax. Let's do a little check on our understanding so far. Alphabet or consonant B carries the sound B. B, B. C represents ch. C, ch. D for D. D for D. F carries the sound F. F for F. G represents G. G represents G. H is pronounced as H. Again, H. J for J. J, J. K is pronounced as K. K, K. L as it is, L itself, L, L. M as in mama, M as in mama. N is pronounced as N, N, N. Perfect. Now, the other 10 consonants, P pronounced as P, as in the words peanut, post, pump. In Bahasa Malaysia, pagi means morning, PP means cheek. Q in Bahasa Malaysia has a relatively low usage. It is more of a loan word from the Arabic language. However, it's similar to using the alphabet K in Bahasa Malaysia. An example of the usage of Q can be found in the Arabic words spelled in Bahasa Malaysia, which includes Quran, which is the sacred book for Muslims, or Qiblat, the direction towards the Kaaba situated in Mecca. R brings the sound, like in the words run, ride, rail. Examples include Rabu for Wednesday, Rusa means deer. S is as it is like in the words slow, Superman, simple. Usage in Bahasa Malaysia such as satu means one, sell, sell. T pronounced as T, as in the words such as table, top, tidy. Examples of usage in Bahasa Malaysia includes te, which means tea, teka means yes. V is pronounced as V, similar to in English. The letter V is not commonly used in Bahasa Malaysia as it is a loan word. Similarly to vitamin, the spelling is the same, however the pronunciation in Bahasa Malaysia is vitamin, or virus pronounced as virus in Bahasa Malaysia. Another example we can take note of is the word vocal. In Bahasa Malaysia, it is spelled as V-O-K-A-L to match the English phonetic. Note that the C in vocal is replaced by the letter K in Bahasa Malaysia to bring the K sound. W represents as W, which represents the sound V. Example, what means war. Mira means hero. X. The alphabet is not native to Bahasa Malaysia, however, it is a loan word for words like Sinar X, representing X-ray, or Silem, which is silent. Y, pronounced as Y, as in Yach, yellow. Usage in Bahasa Malaysia includes Yis, means yeast. Yuran means fee. Z, pronounced as Z in Bahasa Malaysia. Z represents the same sound as in English, such as zinc means zinc. Zone means zone. Okay, let's recap to complete the basics of understanding of the vowels in Bahasa Malaysia. The consonant P represents the sound P. Q is not native to Bahasa Malaysia, however, it carries a sound as the alphabet K does. R brings the R sound. Good. S has in the hissing sound S. T sounds just like the alphabet itself. V brings the sound V. W has in W. The consonant X too is not native to Bahasa Malaysia, but it is loan. Y has in Y. Z is pronounced as Z in Bahasa Malaysia. Learning Bahasa Malaysia needs practice as in any other learning. On the coming part, I will discuss a combination of consonants with vowels and their meaning. Until then, jumpa lagi, jumpa lagi, jumpa lagi.